dementia now, and no one should be alone to deal with this condition. DementiaUK started with 2 nurses, they've got 500, but by 2030 we want 1,000, and it's only possible because all of you guys get together and donate and give your hard-earned cash. So please share the story, come and walk with me if you want to, feed me, and let's raise a lot of money and a lot of awareness for this amazing cause. Thank you, everyone.
Good luck, mate.
All the best.
I've got to give you a countdown. 10.
What time is it? I've got to start this.
29,
You got
16, 29.
All right, you can give a countdown if you want. Go on.
All right, we're going to give him 10 and we're going to go.
You go from 10?
Yeah, we'll go with 10. Ready?
10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Good luck.
Good luck, Manny.
Follow me. Cheers. Come on.